Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Memorial Day. Well, it was the week, actually no, today's already Monday, so today's actually Memorial Day, and I'm actually just heading out on a little bike ride with my boyfriend and his brother. So yeah, so I'll probably just vlog a little bit on my way there because I'm most likely gonna die. We're gonna be going to a park that's around like 30 minutes away in bike, so I most likely will be dead once I get there, but I'll definitely show you guys once I'm there. Officially made it here. So if you're from New York, you know. So yeah, the ride was pretty smooth. I actually don't feel as tired as I thought it would be. How long did we take to get here? Like 30 minutes or less? I would say like 25 minutes, around that time. There wasn't like traffic, like cars wise or anything, so we got here pretty quickly. Any words, Beep?
Right, pretty much. Nice day.
Yeah, the sun is out.
A bit sweaty, but you know I gotta lose that weight, man.
Yeah, so we're on a craft. Any words?
I don't got any weight.
But how do you feel?
Good.
How was the ride?
It was smooth.
See a smooth ride. So we're currently on a weight loss journey, so let me know if you guys want to see that. Probably vlog a little bit like on our journey. We're gonna be starting the gym soon, so we can definitely
know what kind of activities you want to see.
Yeah, we'll definitely be doing a lot this summer, vlogging, and there's something small, but just so you guys get a sneak peek of what's to come of summer. So yeah, we'll definitely bike riding to different locations, so you guys let us know what you guys like to see. Yeah, I mean, we'll show you guys a little later. My family's gonna be meeting us here. But yeah, so we'll catch you guys later.
And with my girl.
Follow us on YouTube. We're vlogging.
That's my boy right there, fat boy.
So we're still here waiting for my family to get here. And then once they get here, we're gonna be walking around the park a little more. Let me know if you guys know where we are. If you're from New York, Queens, you know.
Enjoying myself.
Snoop.
Great company.
Okay guys, so we're finally here with my family. They just got here and we're gonna be around, I think we're getting something to drink right now, and then yeah, so we'll give you guys an update on what we do. This is my mother. Come and say hi. So yeah, we're just gonna be hanging out around here and we'll probably just walk around. Let's see what we get.
That's pretty cool though.
What?
That they have like a little stands over here. Did they recently open this up?
No, this was open. And look, there you catch the ferry right there. Look over there. I'm not sure where that ferry takes you though. So we're just getting something to drink right now, and then we're just gonna be hanging out, enjoying the sun, right?
The sun, we gotta catch a tan today.
Go Liz, catch a small tan. Babe, what is that?
It's a passion fruit tea lemonade. See how good it is. You wouldn't like it.
Oh no, it's good. It's alright. It's a little too like amargo. Like what is that called? Like acid?
Amargo? Too sour. Too bitter.
Bitter. Try it. Wait, let's go check how much it is. Come on.
Yeah, let's go.
We're waiting to go on the ferry.
57, right?
10 of us. Oh.
Ticketmaster. Babe, where are we going?
I don't even know, to be honest. It's the first time we get on this. It's in Hunters Point South. Meet us here.
Babe, make sure we all go in together.
Which pen?
you.
Next time.
Oh, we ended up on an unexpected trip. We came from a bike ride to here.
It's pretty unique.
Yeah. Making one stop. I don't know if you guys can hear me well. And I can't see the camera either because of the sun. But we don't really know where we're going. We think this is a round trip, but we're not really sure. We just came on just to come on. So yeah, I think it goes to like Brooklyn, Manhattan, and I'm not really sure where else it stops. But hopefully it brings us back to our destination. If not, we have to purchase a ticket back, which is actually pretty cheap. It's only like $2.75. Definitely recommending. The sun is beaming on my face, so I'm gonna put my camera away now because I'm sweating. See you guys at our next stop. Look at that rock! To our destination. Well, not really a destination, but we just got to Wall Street. And then we're supposed to head back again, but we thought we could stay on the same one, but we're gonna have to turn around and get on another one. So yeah, we're just getting really buy tickets to get back and head back to LIC, to where we first started. So
¿A dónde? Aquí, mira. Hang on. 34. Por allá.
So we just arrived to our destination. The boat left us right here, and now we have to head back, get our bikes, and head home. I'm pretty tired, so I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here because it's a long ride home, and I'm so hungry. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe down below to my channel. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and definitely we'll see you guys in our next vlog.
Take care, guys.
Peace out.